Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. And this video, family, we're going to a big location, a radio location in actually a radio station, family, in Kenya right now. Me and One Love Africa there, and you know what I mean. And we ate some Jamaican pudding. I met them
pudding. Girl pudding.
That's a small piece you give me, my youth.
Yeah, the man now. You can't lift it up. We're going for a piece more now.
Yo, so we're there, we check out a big bad radio station. Try and match up something with them. And I want Jamaican vibes and flavor family. So I heard on yesterday, NRG Energy Radio. That's how we are forward in our family. Check it out. So just see my maps are run. Let's go, family. Continue watching this vlog where I will share with you another freelance, you know what I mean, visiting a studio in Kenya for the first time, radio station. So we're going to see what we can match up if they want us to put on a morning show so you guys can hear some Jamaica culture and Jamaican vibes. Yeah, family, so let's go. Yeah, family, so One Love, I forgot for another piece of pudding because
pudding sweet! You said Java say one piece.
Java me I say, yo, Jano.
What for knife or
let's break it in half now, man. Break it
in half now. Adjust this one here.
Yeah, no matter.
Alright, take what I say now.
Yeah, yes.
You
get that small side.
You want the big side?
You can cut that one in half.
Go in half.
Alright, family. Continue watching the vlog. And tell them I taste Jamaican pudding. One Love Africa can bake it for you. And you order it.
Put it on the scene.
I'm out. Side.
Okay.
It's an apartment, right? It's like a okay, cool. All right.
How do we find you?
I'm on the 7th floor.
You're coming down?
No, come on 7th floor.
Can you, if she doesn't allow you in, I'll come downstairs. I'm in a meeting.
Okay, so tell her we're going to where? Energy Radio?
7th floor.
All right, cool. 7th floor. All right.
Okay.
Yeah, family. So we're actually in the elevator at the Lamak family. It's all the way up to 24th floor.
24th floor.
Only in China yesterday, I'm thinking at 34th floor. Yeah. All right, family. So we're at 7th floor. And we're going to actually enter the studio. So let's go. NRG Radio, as you can see, guys. And I love NRG Radio. Yeah, family. All we say on. All we say yes on. So yeah, let's use it for our slogan. Look.
I don't keep this one week.
Yeah. All right, family. So we're there and we are waiting for my brother for forward. Dante. Yeah, family. So we're there. NRG Radio, and as you can see, guys, I like the settings. It's a nice place. It says bold excellence, always on, teamwork, speed. This is what it looks like outside the radio station, family. So we're here at NRG Radio, and as I came inside, family, I can see a statement. So you know that you're at a radio station. I feel like it's a good. The team is red and black, and it looks so good. You know, them sharpening the culture, as they say. Yeah, man, so it's a good look. We're just waiting our brother to forward. Show us what going around and in at the studio. So continue watching this vlog. One Love, bless, Jamaica. Continue watching this vlog. Like, share, and comment. Continue. Yeah, family, so we actually in at the radio station and my brother Dante.
Let me check here.
Show you what going in at the studio. Lord Clark. Nice. Yeah, look at the view outside there. And you know what I mean? You know what Freestyle can do as a slogan? Blood. It just a pump out of the brain. Look at this view here. They can meds a lot of things from here. So I tell you. Yeah, sit down here so understand meds and a right song. I tell you. Yeah. Oh, this is Choice Radio. Wow. Oh wow. Your Choice Radio I want to listen to every day, you know. Choice Radio and my radio because they always play the popular music what we know and stuff. Old school, yeah. So they're not here today?
Today we don't have a show. We have a show Monday to Friday. We have 2 shows.
Yeah.
An 11 a.m. show, a mid-morning show, and a transit show. 2 of them.
Ah, okay, nice.
So
Yeah, man.
it's a ladies.
Oh,
station.
ladies station.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All ladies.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Because I always hear you talking and Lady Madai, and all of these people, I hear them all the time. So hope I'll meet them, you know what I mean?
Yeah, soon.
And chop it up. I hear them say, oh, go on Kenya.
Yeah. Next week on Friday, you'll see all of them.
Yeah.
Next week, if you guys are here,
Yeah.
you're gonna see all of them.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Mad thing,
Yeah,
man.
mad thing.
It's a recording.
Welcome.
Yeah, man. So this is the introduction, family. Radio station in Kenya. And we're inside the studio now.
NRG Radio, that's up.
Where's the NRG Radio? Big up, my brother, man. One love, job bless. Iron man. Yeah.
NRG Radio.
I work here.
Okay.
That's where you work.
Monday to Friday from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m.
Monday to Friday.
Yeah.
Okay.
January to December.
By 6 a.m.
I'm here by 6.
10 p.m. 10 a.m.
10 a.m.
Okay. And what you do after that?
After that,
Yeah.
I'm a local
let's
celebrity.
start.
Okay.
We're start our own Kenyan
Jamaican.
breakfast club.
Yeah.
Own breakfast club. Can you have breakfast club in America, right?
Yeah.
We have our own breakfast club.
Yeah.
Right, that's up. In the morning.
Yeah.
Artists will come over. The Jamaican artists will come.
Yeah.
They call us, just bring it to our breakfast club. Interview.
Our show is called NRG Breakfast Club.
Oh, really?
Really? Same thing.
Same thing.
Yeah, man, I think already.
Everything mats up.
Man,
It's just if you come now and, you know what I mean, multiply it up.
yeah, man, add it up.
Yeah.
We've had some international artists here. Buju Banton have been here.
Oh, wow.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Actually, this station has booked Buju Banton for a concert.
Oh, wow.
In 2020.
Oh, wow.
2020.
Yeah, Buju was here.
It was laptop.
It was called.
Maybe. I don't think him not come Africa since him release.
No.
Or maybe before
It
that.
was the first country he visited after
He released
Yeah.
Kenya.
Yeah, he came to Kenya for.
Really?
We were supposed to have him on 2019 in Ghana Boy,
Yeah.
December, but
Yeah.
he couldn't make it. So because of visa issues, so he came in around February. We did
Ah.
a concert.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, he released two. He released before that.
Oh, yeah.
Before that, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. We have had a couple of artists booked from this station.
Yeah?
When you come in during the week, we have this place here.
I'll show you.
You can put your jam rock
Really?
Yeah.
specials on the screen.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Shout out in the morning.
Because the newest Jamaican restaurant working on,
Okay.
will be opening the 1st of July.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
You guys can, we have like school bars, we have a website.
Yeah?
Yeah?
Yeah. We have a website.
So you guys are okay. So you have online. You can online radio station too. Yeah, NRG. Okay, nice.
So we have like Uganda. We have a branch in Uganda. and
Okay.
The one in Kenya.
Oh, wow.
Listening to in Kenya. You can listen to all shows anywhere in the world.
Okay.
On this radio station?
Yeah. Anywhere. As long as you have an app, and also you can listen on the website.
Okay.
You can,
Yeah.
If we have cameras, like we have one there,
Yeah.
another one here.
Mm.
We can stream. You can watch live or listen live.
Really?
Depending
Wow.
on how you want. Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah. So we have like 3 shows so far.
That's
We
nice,
do
man.
blogs.
Oh, you guys. Okay.
Yeah.
So here's really the podcast?
We don't do the podcast here.
No, I was asking. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Have you watched our podcast, maybe? Have you checked it
I
out?
haven't checked. Yo,
Yeah, we book a space and go there and shoot.
Okay.
We separate the station from
Yeah.
our own content.
Their
so
own
that
thing,
we
yeah.
Okay.
can create more
Great.
audience.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we have
Yeah, man.
this one, and then you can listen to only
Yo, we don't
dancehall
want to my
music.
internet, man. It's so far because we be a problem.
Okay. So you can listen to Choice Radio on the site. We have like elements and playlists. You can listen to dance with
Oh, okay, nice.
On my laptop and tune in Choice Radio.
Yeah. So this is the site. You watch this, and on the watch button, you have like a scroll bar down here. You can write like visit.
Okay, nice.
You have the posters. So this is the main station.
The main, okay, and over here says where, like.
Where do the recording? Recording booths.
We create a booth over there at times, but we have a special like a tech studio over there.
Okay.
So where we plan to do the mashup, the gig on this side.
All right.
The smash up.
Your shot.
Yeah.
We have like a weekday.
Yeah.
It's from 6 a.m. to
Okay. Wow.
One from 11 to 2. And they have another one from 3 to 7. We have another one from 7 to 10, and then 10 to late.
Yeah.
So we're planning to do the hot box experience in here.
Wow.
The DJ will set up here.
Yeah, slogan, you got muddy top.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, so.
Wbesite so you know about sardine, you know one damn thing. Yo, you know about carving, late night fried dumpling. Hey, you know about suffering. Yo, Kenya, go so. Long time man I suffer, you be one in the
Yeah, family, so we got muddy top. So make sure you look out for that, family. Muddy top up, body top.
We go from Paris.
Yeah.
So we'll take out all these sets and then we'll do only tables. Let me check if I have the setup in my phone like this.
This is like a chill room now.
Yeah.
We do the screen. The setup is like this.
Okay, nice.
Yeah, man.
So we'll have like tables.
So if you have a DJ, you can hear drink and chill and
Yeah,
a
nice.
special event.
Yeah.
So we'll do it here.
VIP event. So a few
Invites only.
Invites
only.
Yeah.
DJ then invites only.
Yeah.
Makes sense for you.
Yeah, this is the setup. So on normal days,
You can still have a couple of culture, then corner, and then you have the tables and
if you enter here, it's total music and enjoyment. If you want to sit down, the other side, you can go there. We'll have a bar over there. On this side. But here is total music, dancing, good vibes. Yes.
Yeah, man.
So this was a talent search. They look for top talent from the streets. They just do audition, not like you come in with your CV and stuff.
No.
It's like a search. First bunch.
Yeah.
First bunch is online. You just send your video and what you do. If you want to be a presenter, digital manager, you send your video. They pick first bunch of 100 people. You come in, present. They take 50, 40 until they get the best of the best from the bunch.
Wow.
They get the radio presenter. I came in from auditions.
Oh, really?
To a presenter, I wasn't a presenter, bro. I was a digital manager. I was here daily. One, you could picture. Yeah, that's how I started. 2019, I was a digital manager. I became a presenter. I guess now it's 1 year.
1 year.
I became big away from the station. I was a digital creator away from the station. Monday to Friday, I'm here as a digital manager, but outside the studio, I'm a content creator.
Okay.
Johnny, man. Push.
Yeah, push, man. Push.
Gosh. So this is the space. We're planning to do big things. Start from here. Big stages. Big stages like Coachella. We want to go to Jamaica.
Yeah, man. We're planning a trip.
Yeah, man. We're going to Jamaica because all the artists there and the entertainers from Jamaica are coming. With weed because now we're in the radio station. Artists are Jamaican. So eventually, we might reach out to you before we even reach out to them.
Yeah.
If anybody reach out to them and we reach out, we like the first preference.
Yeah, for real. Yeah.
It means every Friday from this week's Friday, we'll be doing hot box. It means if any Jamaican artist is coming to Kenya, we have a plan for every Friday.
Every Friday.
Whatever they want to do.
Yeah.
Yeah, what?
Yeah, man.
Because the Kenyan, them tune in the radio station, them off here.
Yeah.
It's like how we know, me as a Jamaican artist and as a chef, and stuff like that, I'm doing one. You know, we can even jump up, come on the Box program, do a thing. People who know me can say, McLaren station, slogan the pipe.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. People online can even get them thing. Tune in and buy the app.
Yeah.
Because they know say them own is there.
Yeah.
Like radio. And in Kenya, more people gravitate to it, so if you use them now, we got more.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Do you also DJ?
Yeah, no, that is music. I don't select. I just write tracks.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because the beat right now, on the rhythm, like here's something right over here.
That's nice.
Yeah, man.
Some exclusive music from Jamaica.
Yeah.
We just launched it.
I'm saying, I'm an artist. Wait till this cook. And you know, I'm piss up the stage.
Yeah, I'll make sure you meet with my DJ. He's sitting right there. His name is Regan. He's my DJ. In case of any music stuff,
Yeah.
check it out. I have my other brother is called Trevor. Is in charge of mostly he does let's say relations, communication.
Okay.
And then the guy with dreads is mostly performance.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Yeah.
So you were with them in the meeting?
Yeah, I was in the meeting, but I told them I have a meeting. I have my friends who are coming along. I have to see you today.
Yeah, man, it's good to see and get a tour and stuff.
Respect.
Yeah, man, always, you know, we really want to pull up.
Yeah.
So we say this Friday at 10.
This Friday from 7 p.m. till, I don't know,
Good
vibes.
forward, man, yeah.
Link up and come. You have a message so you can't answer your phone.
Okay.
So how do we get contact with you? If you're going to be at the radio station, you can't answer your phone.
So when we come on the first, now we'll actually, maybe let's make them security know us so when we're ready we can just pull up.
So,
how will it work?
I'm thinking, after you guys are in, like today, we have agreed on if you're working together. So that Friday, we just agree what time you guys want to come in. It's not like I have just to talk with them.
Yeah, man. Big up, my brother. Big up, one love. Yeah, man, one love.
You good?
Yeah.
That's all things.
One
thing in that.
One of his
Yeah.
This is the DJ.
Is the DJ?
Director. Yeah. His name is Regan.
Yeah.
What's his name?
Regan.
Yeah. Yo, our artist friend in Jamaica is a dancehall artist. His name is Regan.
Oh, Regan.
Regan.
Yeah,
The
man.
guy was working for a video call. He's in the studio right now.
Yeah.
He's a producer and an artist.
Okay.
He recorded Javian.
Yeah,
They recorded Javian. Pablo YG. Yeah, North Coast artist. He's one of all North Coast artists are Otrius. He's one that recorded them.
Nice.
My next person name is Stino. Yeah, that's a Stino is one that work with. And my boy Craft. You know
Craft.
Yeah, Craft and yeah, man. It's my friends. They're the one that produce them and record them.
Nice.
The engineer and produce them.
Nice.
I used to be in the studio with them.
Okay.
Used
You understand? Before they get the break.
Used to DJ.
No, I still do music. Yeah, because I'm in Africa now doing catering and food and stuff like that.
Yeah.
But I still do music. I used to be in the studio with them day by day.
Okay.
Eating, drinking, chatting, relaxing, freestyling,
Yeah.
knocking each other.
If you want exclusives,
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
they
Might have some jingle for you, my brother.
Definitely.
Make your thing turn up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Those information, story about what going on. You can even themselves can even call in or reach us.
Reach out.
Is
Yeah.
this one was sending me to Africa?
Yeah.
And then we followed over here.
Even you guys can do jingles for us.
Yeah, man. We can match up real freestyle jingle and make your thing mad up with the Jamaican language.
Just have the rhythm and then give you the studio. Rhythm and the studio, that's how we need.
Yeah.
I'm going to get
Give
jingles
me
for
a
this.
rhythm, man.
We
Now,
have
Mike.
a studio, but we don't have the rhythms. We just can do a cappella.
You can do acapella, yes. Anything's anything. But you want to make it the genius by instrumental. But they play it back so sweet.
So, yeah.
Only the person can write the rhythm, meaning the DJ and the rhythm. But if you want acapella, it doesn't matter. You want to get acapella.
Yeah.
So what pre now? like what the plan? What's the plan?
So, again,
Yeah.
before you came in, I was talking to them. We were agreed on they are ready to be partner and work on bigger things.
Yeah.
But from the start, we have to do the sampling, the food, the booth, just for the experience. And every time we can see where they can plug in,
Yeah.
we make it big time.
Yeah.
So I told them we'll do some other 2 meetings tomorrow with the sales team and see how they're thinking, how it's supposed to work. And then we close it and say Friday 6 p.m. This guys will be here.
Yeah.
As long as we do a setup, they'll bring the food.
As long as
We do the
Setup, yeah.
Oh,
We'll bring the food, yeah.
some lyrics.
Yeah, we'll set that up.
We'll do jingles for us.
Yeah, we're gonna do the jingles here.
We will do them on the other side of studio.
Okay.
If you can't do it today, there's a producer of us who I'm sure he can get the rhythms. It's called Envy.
Envy.
Oh, DJ Envy, me all them talk about him on the radio, man.
You know DJ Envy?
We don't know him, but me hear the name.
Listen to
Choice, yeah, me there. Yeah. Choice on my radio, man. Choice FM.
He's also the guy who does the mastering for our podcast audio.
Okay. Editing, yeah.
DJ Envy.
Yeah, man.
Envy.
DJ Envy, I know Envy.
Vegan.
Yeah, family. So we're there, and it was a good vibes. So look out for Jam Tours and One Love in the studio.
Can we do?
We have Hot Box on NRG. Is it Playlist Radio?
Yeah, we can do
PLS.
both Payless and NRG Radio because now.
PLS not PLS talk. PLS
PLS or PLS?
PLS so we talk more. We pay more. PLS or PLS.
For sure.
We say, you know what I want. PLS never say less.
Payless. Wow.
If you go to check.
Box.
Hot box. You play it, me boy, you get a fat box. If you play it, me boy, you get a fat box.
Hot boxes.
So you can do you a little acapella. How do you call it? A little freestyle. And then this is now you say your name. Then you're now listening to
Hot box on NRG Radio. Alright, so it's like energy.
Yeah,
It's
energy.
not saying NRG,
Yeah,
it's
energy.
energy.
Yeah.
You want to listen to Hot Box on Energy Radio.
Yes.
You want so. So you see what you want to do freestyle like yo. It's a slogan representing for Energy Radio, so know. Hot Box.
Hot Box on energy.
Yo. It's a slogan representing for Hot Box at Energy Radio right here in Kenya. Tune in and check it out now. That's something, right?
That's good. So now give us more energy.
Test run.
And drop some Jamaica pattern and let them know what I
Some
want.
Jamaican lines in the beginning.
Yeah.
Maybe your song or
That's
your
the way I want to say.
chorus. Yeah.
That's the way we start.
Yeah.
Yeah, one. Exclusive. Yeah. You know, it's a slogan representing for Energy Radio. Right, so we're there in a daddy. So tune in on Hot Box before you get a hot box. Go again. We'll get some difference. Continue. Yo, watch out, man. I One Love Africa, aka slogan straight from Jamaica. Right, this in Kenyan, Nairobi. You see, tune in Energy Radio. Can you say the energy up? Because the energy tough and the energy buff. Hey, girl, come over. No, we can't say that. We can't say that.
Just say it.
We can't say that, really. It's not good.
I can't bleep it out.
Alright then. I'll do it then. Ready back over again. Ready? Yo. You know, it's a slogan representing for Energy Radio. Right from Jamaica to here in Nairobi in Kenya. So here now, man, hey girl, come over here so come get the energy up, cause you know the energy tough. Right now, you think look energy up, cause energy buff. Right now, there, hot box. So tune in before you hit a fat box.
Man.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. Big up.
Alright,
Much
man.
love, man.
Well, let me drop a lyrics first, man.
Drop a freestyle.
I'm tune them in the dog. The samples.
Okay.
Drop a tune.
Ready?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Crossbreed! You know, say slogan representing for Energy Station, Energy Radio. You have to know, right to say we have hot box. So, right up a tune in the dog. Straight from Jamaica to yard. How you go? What you know about sardine? You don't know one damn thing. Yo, what you know about cornmeal? The late night fried dumpling. Yo, what you know about suffering boy, yo? Suffering boy, yo. What you know about suffering boy, yo? Boy, yo, hot box. A long time man a suffer. Money want the less of the duck man a go for. Mr. Man can't team up with the butter. You a bluffer, you fish shot and do no utter. Right now what degrees man a go for. Make a step through the gutter with the cutter. Your life sweet but feel me life rougher. Yo, feel me life tougher. Jamaica. Hey Kenya, till food me a eat again. Me can't even feed me friends. And what kind of life and system this just set up for me people them. Me hear ya preach to them, but me not see ya reach to them. A long time you no righteous, me have a speak for them. But you know about sardine, you don't know one damn thing. Hey, what you know about cornmeal, the late night fried dumpling. Hey, what you know about suffering boy, yeah? Hey, hot box suffering boy, yeah? What you know about suffering boy, yeah? Bout ya, your Energy Radio. You know, so me alone I play on the radio.
Yeah.
That's what things that money. And hard vibes.
Let me do one last one. Where you just say, hot box on Energy Radio. Hot.
Yeah, man. You can't be one.
Marty top.
Alright.
They're ready.
Alright, 1, 2, go.
Yo, turn it up! Hot box! Crossbreed there! Energy Radio! Turn it up! Madhouse! That's good?
Man, respect, man. Respect.
Yeah, man. I say things about it. From yard, they think when I poof.
Yeah, man, yeah. Goof them and boof them.
Poof them and poof them. Poof and quaff.
Yeah, we now left.
Yeah.
All
Alright.
Hey, man, I'm going on the rib now. You ready for move?
Yeah,
What do you
man.
say?
So we just match it up with them. But anyway, so
That's the answer.
I have to leave.
Alright,
I have a photo shoot
Mm-hmm.
for the hot box.
for that box.
Yeah. At the other side of town.
Yeah.
Thika Road. You guys know Thika Road?
Yo,
Yeah, man.
Which side of Thika Road have you guys been?
Been to China Square.
China Square.
And I'm not talking about China Ticker before. We know Ticker.
Yeah.
I went to a few places.
I'll take you to the
the
streets of Thika Road one day.
Yeah, man. One of them there, man. You need to.
The slums of Thika Road.
Right now, here we go.
All right, Dante. Respect and thanks, man, for this opportunity. And we're looking forward to working together
I'm a figure.
and so forth. So big up. One love. God bless.
God bless.
Jamaica. I'm out. NRG. Hotbox. We there.
And we have some big artists in Jamaica. Yeah, man. Show business is big, man.
Yeah, family. So we're there in the studio, Choice FM studio. So we're there in a Choice FM studio right now.
Yeah, man.
We record some
Show
jingles
business is a big thing
for the
in Jamaica.
podcast.
Jamaica, a lot of artists, reggae, dancehall, trap. And we have still international artists come to Jamaica to perform on our shows. Yeah, so it's big, man. Big deal.
In Kenya, we're trying to push. We're trying to
Show
get
business
international.
can't work, you know.
Nah, showbiz is
No, no, it can't work.
It can work. It just that it has
Like you say,
to.
if I start
Yeah,
to
it
go
is.
right when I set off.
It just need more. It just need more. It just need creativity.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Vibes,
Alkaline,
popcorn, Vado,
Tamili, Alkaline.
Alkaline.
Yeah, these artists come right. Them Marco.
Marco's here. Marco's been here a few times.
Yeah, but it's still go good when it's here.
Yeah.
To show you, so these artists are followers. Romeo Virgo,
Yeah.
Christopher Martin,
Yes, performing.
Taurus Riley.
Yeah.
Brothers, Connect's been here. Man, shut down, man.
See?
Yeah.
So show business here can be good if you get the Jamaican artists over here. So the people who watch this, the Jamaican artists them, make sure you share it to them. So me, one look Africa, said that couple there right in Kenya, at the radio station, Energy Radio. So go and Google Energy Radio. Yo, tell them how to find Energy Radio.
On Google Play Store, App Store, you download the Energy Play app, or you can stream on www.energyradio.com.
See there?
Yeah,
And
family.
your artist this slogan in the building.
Give me some slogan.
You want something?
Yeah.
What do you want you? Tell me.
Yeah, tell them something about the radio station over there.
Radio station, Energy Radio.
Yeah, Energy Radio. I feel radio.
We're talking about energy radio. We're not talking about energy god. I really bring the energy bad, because you also the energy mad. So energy radio. Turn it up. Yeah, man. So that will not get so far. You see?
Yeah, family. So when you see the talent live and direct, when you even have to write, it just comes straight from the brain, naturally.
The brain like a water in a coconut.
Yeah, family. So, yeah, man, we're very excited to see the Kenyans them calling into the radio station and
they're calling for the Jamaican artists.
Yeah, and you know what I mean? We're just vibing with you guys and connect and bridge the gap between Jamaica and Africa, family. So. Continue watching this vlog. Jam Tours and One Love there. We're there in a Chais FM studio.
Straight up.
Yeah, man.
Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. And make sure you go on my YouTube channel, number one LOVE Love Africa. And check it out. That's
You're here.
Channel. You hear me? New music coming out. I'm not really uploading about the music that we have on YouTube. Look how people are asking the music, so where are they? I'm going to remaster them and re-upload them a couple different. So, welcome work go on the people. So stay back tuned, man.
Alright. Continue watching this vlog. Continue. Like, share, comment.